Hey everybody, so we're going to be going to Harbor Freight. We're going to go check out and see what Icon hand tools Harbor Freight has for the Casa Grande location. I had a YouTuber that was watching my last video about the Icon box said that he went to Casa Grande last Wednesday or so, and he saw them putting out some Icon tools, so we're gonna go check it out. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, so today is September 28th, 2019. This is just, I'm giving the date for this video. Alright everybody, so we're here at Harbor Freight. The building is actually closer than it actually appears. I'm only standing about 100 feet from the building. We're gonna go in there, we're gonna check out what Icon hand tools they got. And you can't see the sunset from here, but it's bright orange and it's pretty. But we're gonna go in there, check out, see what they have, and I'll see you guys in there. Ratchets. They got 1/4 inch 90 tooth low profile for $30. 1/4 inch pro grip flex head is $34. 1/4 inch drive pro grip swivel ratchet or roto head, $32. 3/8 is $34. 3/8 flex head is $39. 3/8 pro grip flex head ratchet long reach is $49. They have 3/8 drive pro grip swivel ratchet, $37. 44 for the 1/2 inch pro grip. They have some smaller breaker bars here, 3/8 1/2 inch. They actually put them in their own section instead of sitting over there with the rest. 59, 34, 49, 49. Non-comfort grip and comfort grip, and then they have the non-comfort grips down here. 44 for the 1/2 inch pro flex head, 49 for the 3/8 pro flex head long handle ratchet. It's missing. 3/8 flex head. These are all 90 tooth 3/8 drive pro low profile. 3/8 short pro low profile. 3/8 pro stubby, which the stubby's pretty nice. And the boxes are really nice. Quarter inch for $34. And this is a pretty long one because here's a stubby. This is a non-flex for $29. The boxes are taped, so I can't just slide one out and look at it unless I ask them. They do have some on display. The ratchet mechanism feels very nice, the switch. Does sound like very fine tooth. Does sound close to 90. I do like that the off is on the right and the on is on the left, unlike the Pittsburgh line. The grip is pretty nice. This chrome is pretty nice quality as well. This is the fixed head. It's a 3/8 fixed head. The switch is very positive, I like that. There's a flex head with the comfort grip. The handles aren't too bad. They're not as, these handles are a lot more plasticky to me than the breaker bar handles. Breaker bars handles feel more like rubber. Here's a non-comfort grip style flex head. This one looks like a 3/8. And they have this 1/2 inch right here. 1/2 inch is not as narrow as I was thinking it would be, but it's pretty nice. They do have some socket sets here. It's 24 11-piece 1/4 inch. Shallow, 11-piece, $24.99 for metric and standard. 3/8 drive, $34.99. Shallows, metric and standard. 13-piece 1/2 inch drive, $49.99 or $50 for metric and standard. 13-piece 1/2 inch drive pro deeps, $59, so $60 a set. Standard and metric. They put the Icon breaker bars over here, or the torque wrenches. Sorry about that, torque wrenches. They moved the Quinn over, so now the Quinn is sitting in front of the Pittsburgh stuff. Go to this side. So they got the wrench sets in as well. 7-piece SA stubbies for $99.99. 10-piece metric stubbies, it's $119. 10-piece SA stubby combinations, $50. Metric combination stubbies, $50. 7-piece SA ratchet combo wrench set. These are pretty nice. I do like that they have the switches on them. These are $119 for standard and $150 for metric. 14-piece SE Pro combination set. This looks like a 12-point. $99.99. Metric is also $19.99. 7-piece SE anti-slip ratchet set. There's a little better view. Have the switches. If I turn the light on, I don't know. Let's see. That helps a little with the light. $119. 10-piece metric anti-slips, $150. So these are ratcheting, anti-slip ratcheting wrench set. And these are 10-piece combo wrench set. Which that kind of doesn't make any sense. Oh, they're the exact same thing. Warm 10, warm 10. So maybe they're in the wrong spot. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's 10. They have some larger 5-piece metric large combinations down here. Looks like a 20 to a 24. 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. They are no skip. $64.99. For 4-piece SA large combination wrench set, $74.99. 1 1/16, 1 1/8, 1 3/16, and 1 1/4. 14-piece anti-slip combination wrench set for $99. This is the non-ratcheting. And then $99 for the SAE. So They did pick up quite a bit of icon tools, so they must have just gotten them a couple days after I had left. I do think it looks a lot nicer. Grab a couple things while I'm here. Pick these up while I'm here because I can use them. That would be useful. So, it's going to be not too long of a video. See if I find any more icon stuff. I think that's probably all my store got for icon. These little scrapers are pretty nice. It's a really long quarter, medium-sized quarter, and a long 3/8, so I'm gonna pick them up. The knurling is pretty nice too. Alright, so it looks like that's going to conclude this video, guys. I'm not seeing any other icon stuff. You can see all this. These are all the Pittsburghs. So they moved everything to its icon corner. So the icon ratchets and the sockets I'm actually pretty impressed with. I'm not going to open any of these. I'm not going to ask the staff if I can, but there's plenty of channels. Redemption Garage, I'll leave a link up here for him. There's Den of Tools, I'll leave a link up here for the Den of Tools as well. Client Graphics, I'll leave a link up here for Client Graphics. And I'll leave a link up here for Justin Dow. They're all doing videos on icon tools, so they did not have this bronze section the last time I was here. This is new. It's not bad for $29. This one's $29 as well. I have this light bar. They're charging $32 for it now. Just a little quick look. Inspection camera. Here's the 2.4-inch inspection camera for $79, and here's the 3.5-inch for $179. This is the one I have right here. And then,
did you see the new icons?
I did, yeah. I already recorded that.
Okay. How much it was here?
$59.99 for this 20-to-1 thermometer, and then here's the $26.99 for the 12-in-1. And I did a recent coupon book that there's some coupons for both of these. But yeah, this is just going to be a quick short little video. They have, you can buy the inspection camera cables separately, which is nice, for 30 bucks for that one. And the inspection camera cable for this one is, it's a 5.5 millimeter for 69. It's a 39 inch, and then a 39 inch for the 16 millimeter is 29. So that's not bad either. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you like these videos. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. You don't have to buy from my links, just use my link to get to Amazon. It won't cost you anything extra if you use my link. Amazon will give me a cut, doesn't cost you anything on your bill, and I can keep doing videos like this and buying tools for you guys to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.